Hi love, you are now back with me, DJ Lala, para sa ating programang Sakto, Klaro, Diretso. Oras na my love para sa ating biyahe Sender of the Night. We are also live now sa Love Radio Manila Facebook page. Kaya kung meron kayong comment, meron kayong opinion, meron kayong advice sa ating biyahe Sender of the Night, you may send it over sa ating comment section sa Love Radio Manila Facebook page dahil we are live. So eto na nga my love, basahin na natin ang biyahe for today. Ito na po ang biyahe ni Lovely. Hello po DJ Lala. First time ko pong humingi ng payo sa inyo. I'm Lovely po from Laguna. May jowa po ako na 7 months na kami at nagkakilala kami sa Facebook. Then hanggang sa naging kami. On and off po ang relationship namin, DJ Lala. Minsan din, habang tumatagal, hindi rin naiiwasang magkaroon kami ng awayan. At ang laging ugat ng pag-aaway namin ay yung pagsiselos niya sa BFF ko na si Sam, na lagi kong kasama sa trabaho. Pero DJ, best friend ko lang talaga siya at walang namamagitan sa amin. Walang kami. Kaya po minsan, umiiwas ako sa BFF ko kasi ayokong mag-break kami ulit ng BF ko na si Gideon. But nitong March 1, mag 8 months na sana kami, bigla po siyang nakikipaghiwalay sa akin. At pinapapili po niya ako. Sino daw sa kanilang dalawa yung pipiliin ko? Si Sam na kaibigan ko o siya? Siyempre, naguguluhan po kasi ako kasi parehas po silang importante sa buhay ko. Ano po ba ang dapat kong gawin, DJ Lala, upang maging maayos na kami ng BF ko? Sana po mapayuhan nyo ako. Thank you and more power to your show. Hi Lovely! First of all, maraming salamat for sending in your story sa ating programang biyahe. Now, love, hindi na ako magpapaligoy-ligoy pa. O, diba? I'm not gonna beat around the bush anymore. My love, choose you. What I mean about choose you is piliin mo yung sarili mo. Huwag kang sumagot sa kanya. Huwag mo siyang bigyan ng definite answer. Sabihin mo sa kanyang ganyan, I won't choose. I won't choose Sam, I won't choose you. If you wanna leave, just leave. Kung gusto mong umalis ka na lang, nang walang kondisyon. Kasi my love, the moment that you choose, no matter your explanation next to that, it doesn't even matter anymore sa nakikinig. Ang alam lang niya, pinili siya, yay, ganon. Kapag pinili mo si Sam, dahil gusto mo sabihin na best friend ko kasi siya dahil kaibigan ko siya at kapag kaibigan syempre 'di ba importante sa iyo, so sana maintindihan mo. Hindi niya na 'yan maiintindihan. Ang mananatili na lang sa tenga niya ay pinili mo si Sam over sa kanya. Kumbaga justify mo lang yung paratang niya that there is something going on between you and Sam. Pag siya naman yung pinili mo, my love, this is not gonna be the first boy na he'll be jealous with. There will be next. Guaranteed. O diba? Kasi alam niya na sa sarili niya eh. Napipiliin at pipiliin mo siya and alam niya sa sarili niya na he'll get things his way. Kumbaga, he'll get his way dun sa mga gusto niyang ipagawa sa'yo. Ang tangi niya na lang kailangan gawin is to threaten you. To choose. Whether it's him or the other next person na pagseselosan niya. And you cannot do this. You cannot possibly do this every single time. Hindi mo to pwedeng gawin ng paulit-ulit na kailangan mong i-isolate yung sarili mo, having him and him alone in your life kasi you would be needing friends, my love eh. Kakailanganin mo ng kaibigan. Kakailanganin mo ng kasama. At walang gustong sumama sa'yo, walang gugustuhin makipagkaibigan sa'yo if you have a toxic boyfriend like that. Kaya if I were you, my love, huwag ka magbigay sa kanya ng definite answer. Do not answer the question. That is the safest answer you can give him. Sabihin mo sa kanya, kung gusto mong umalis, if you wanna leave, if you don't trust me, if there's nothing that I do that has proven to you kung gaano kita kamahal, then just leave. Let's call it quits. tapusin na lang natin yung relationship. Kasi my love, again, lovely, if you are listening to me, kapag hinayaan mo siya sa ganitong gawain niya, this is not gonna be the first person na pagseselosan niya, and you'll be back with this dilemma over and over again. So that's why I'm telling you to choose yourself. 'Di ba? I-save mo yung sarili mo from a relationship like this. I-save mo yung sarili mo from a boy like this. He is not yet a man. He is a boy. A boy with a lot of insecurity sa katawan. Now, if sasabihin niya, meron akong reason as to why ako nagsiselos. Meron akong dahilan kung bakit ako nagsiselos. Merong pinagbabasihan yung selos ko. Lagi mo siyang kausap, kayo laging magka-chat, nasa bahay ka na't lahat, magkausap pa kayo sa phone. My love, sabihin na natin, sige, bigyan natin siya the benefit of the doubt. Na meron siyang nakikitang unfair para sa kanya, na laging yung isang yon ang kausap mo. There are better ways to address an issue like that Pero not in a way that you'll threaten your partner to choose between you and her friends. Kumbaga marami pang proseso na pwede niyong pagdaanan, yun dapat ay sukdulan. Kapag labis na yung nangyayari. Pero hindi Kumbaga 8 months pa lang kayo into a relationship, meron ng insecurity issues, meron ng trust issues, may control ng nangyayari. O 'di ba? May pag-command na, meron ng pagbibigay ng demand. That is not how you start a relationship. Wala pa kayo sa 1-year mark and yet it's already toxic. An on and off kind of relationship because hindi matapos-tapos yung selos. That's not the kind of relationship that will last. I'm so sorry, lovely. Pero yung relationship ninyo will just continue on being toxic if you let this boy get his way kapag namili ka. So if I were you, lovely, do not choose. I know you love this guy. I know may nararamdaman ka para sa kanya. Pero I am telling you, you don't want to imprison yourself in a relationship na wala kang ibang pwedeng maging mundo kundi siya lang. I've been there. I've been through that. There's nothing fun in it. Siguro sa mga first few, I'll find it sweet. Pero I've been there and I've survived a 4-year relationship with a guy like that. And it's no fun at all. I lost all my friends because of that. Sinobra kong pinaliit ko ng sobra, ng solid yung mundo ko just to make sure that he will not feel insecure, that he will not feel as if he is less of a man because of it. So why would you go through yet another relationship like that if I know na wala namang magandang patutunguhan yan? So please, my lovely, if you are listening to me right now, just leave the boy. O diba, hayaan mo na lang siya. Just set him free. Sabihin mo sa kanyang ganyan, I refuse to be imprisoned. I refuse to be a prison of this relationship. If you wanna leave because you do not trust me, if you wanna leave because marami kang insecurity issues sa sarili mo, if you wanna leave kasi sa tingin mo may itinatago ako sa'yo, then go ahead. It's gonna hurt me, but staying in this kind of relationship is gonna hurt me more. Okay? Intindihan mo ako, lovely? I hope I was able to give you clarity. It may be a painful one, but I'm telling you, you'll thank me later kapag ginawa mo yan. Okay?